Hi there, welcome to Nasur channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update Combobox items in Visual Basic.NET without database connection. First, open our Visual Studio and create one project. Choose Windows Home application and then click Next. Place your application or your project in whenever you want. I put on my desktop and give the name is Combobox without database like this, and then I click create in here. In here we need to add Combobox. We need to add also textbook. We need button also, and copy this button till 3 and change the fonts. If you don't need, you just select one by one like this. I choose 14 in bold, also this 14 in bold, and then I make this bigger. For button 1, it's for clear. Button 2 is for add items, and for the last button, it's for save item. For example, like this. First, we need to click project and choose Combobox properties in here. I mean project properties, and then you can select settings and give the name of your setting is my combo, for example. And for values, but without two values, we need to select type to string collection in here. And for values, we must click this 3 dot button. For example, we fill like this. And then back to form 1. This is for button clear. Combobox 1 dot items dot clear like this. And for add items is Combobox 1 dot items dot add textbook 1 dot text like this. Like this is will add some item into textbook, into Combobox I mean. For example, one like this. If I add item, it will in here. 2 will in here, but it's not saved into when we open again the programs. You can see there is nothing, but we can save with the database. To do that, we need to save item in here, and my settings, my combo dot clear in here. My combo is revert to our setting in here, and we use looping for each item in Combobox 1 dot items. My dot settings dot my combo dot add item dot to string. Last is my dot settings dot save, and we need to show the message success saved items, and we need to application dot restart, and the last we need to load in our form 1 load combobox 1 dot items dot add item. But before we do like this, we need to using for each also statement. For each item in my dot settings dot my combo, like this, and then this is next, like this, and let's running our projects. You can see there is a refer to our my setting dot combo in here, but we need to clear first. Now no item is in here. Let's choose one, add items, 2, add items, 3, add items, like this, and click save items to save the 3 items. Now after reloading, it's still in here. If I run my application, you can see still in here. That's all tutorial how to save items in Combobox without database connection. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.